the rolling hills of Chester County, Pennsylvania, there is a place of energy, a place of pride, a place of education and training, a place where members of the Laborers District Council learn new skills to prepare for new jobs and new horizons. It's called the Laborers District Council Education and Training Apprenticeship Fund. Here is our story. It's the winter of 1976. Mr. Samuel Staton Sr., business manager of Local 332, was attending a seminar at Penn State University with Mr. James Harper of Local 413.
Jim Harper and I attended a journalism conference at the University of Pennsylvania in 1976.
Even though it wasn't about education, we began to talk about the importance of education, about the kinds of information we were getting from the seminar at Penn State.
We left that conference committed to building a training school at whatever the cost.
And we began to relate to that kind of information.
We knew if we were to survive in this industry, we had to make some change, and training was the key.
Young laborers coming into the construction industry and how that these kind of educational programs that we were experiencing could possibly work in a training environment.
Skills training for union members, which is now a primary focus of organized labor, was new ground in 1976. Nevertheless, Mr. Staton and Mr. Harper left Penn State determined in their collective resolve to seek out all available information on training and to start a training program for the greater Philadelphia region.
We were so determined that we needed training also for our rank and file members to become more effective, more skillful, and more productive on the job.
The best way to describe this, it is a dream come true.
Sam and I did that, and we continue to do that, and I'm always ever grateful for Sam and for his perseverance and for his dedication.
Mr. Harper and Mr. Staton, acting on information, carefully engineered the process and began to organize support for the program. By 1980, the District Council approved the project, along with a negotiated 25 cents per hour to support it. On May 1st, 1980, an agreement and declaration of trust creating the Laborers District Council of Metropolitan Area of Philadelphia and Vicinity Education and Training Fund was executed by the Laborers District Council, the General Building Contractors Association, the GBCA, and the Contractor Association of Eastern Pennsylvania, the CAEP.
As Management Co-Chairman of the Laborers Training School, I've been involved in this program since the inception. I want to begin by thanking Jim Davis, the General Manager of the Contractors Association of Eastern Pennsylvania, and the many contractors that have served on the Board of Trustees over the years. General Building Contractors is extremely proud of this entire program. I particularly am proud of it because it is a fine example of labor management cooperation in action. The basis of the school is that education is a continuing process. It has given the laborers the opportunities to learn new skills and to become much more productive in the workforce today. The result of this state-of-the-art and cutting-edge training has been that it has made union contractors in this area even more competitive, and that's important. We look forward to continuing this fine program in the future and improving it in the years to come.
A groundbreaking ceremony was held in August 1983. And in less than 2 years, in April 1985, the 68,000 square foot school was completed. Training officially began in September of that year, and by year's end, more than 1,000 students had been trained. Since then, the Laborers Training School has provided high-quality, state-of-the-art skills and safety training to the members of Locals 57, 135, 332, and 413 that make up the District Council. Areas of study include heavy and highway, building, utility and environmental remediation, along with landscape construction. In April 1998, the school's apprenticeship standards were accepted by the Pennsylvania Department of Labor and Industry, paving the way for the commencement of the Construction Craft Laborer Apprenticeship Program. This program takes the laborers to an even higher level of excellence and helps the contractors in the continuing effort to outbid the non-union competition. The Education and Training School has developed a comprehensive set of courses designed to turn out the most skilled, safe, and productive workers possible, available only to the signatory contractor in the Delaware Valley. Overall, the efforts have been successful. Trained members provide a tremendous advantage that has given the union a 60.8% percentages of dollars share of the work for jobs of $10 million or more. Training does make the difference.
This is an example of when laborers put their minds together, we can make profound change.